Have you ever wondered why some writing captivates while others confuse? Today, we're diving into grammar and vocabulary for writing. We'll tackle common errors and show you how to avoid them. Plus, we'll enhance your writing's flow using cohesive devices. Let's get started. First, let's identify common grammar errors. Mistakes can distort your message and confuse readers. For instance, subject-verb agreement is crucial. If you say, "she go to the store," it's incorrect. It should be, "she goes to the store." Next, let's address punctuation errors. Commas can change the meaning completely. "Let's eat grandma" is very different from "let's eat grandma." Now, let's shift gears to vocabulary. Using precise words makes your writing clearer. Avoid overused words like very and nice. Instead, try synonyms such as excellent or pleasant. Now, what are cohesive devices? These are words or phrases that connect ideas smoothly. Examples include however, moreover, and therefore. Imagine reading a book without cohesive devices. It would feel jarring and disconnected, right? Using these connectors maintains a clear flow. Consider these two sentences. "I like coffee. It is delicious." Using cohesive devices, it becomes, "I like coffee. Moreover, it is delicious." See how it flows better? Remember, grammar and vocabulary form the backbone of effective writing. Avoid errors and enhance coherence for clearer communication. To summarize, focus on precision and flow. Identify errors, enhance vocabulary, and use cohesive devices. Now that you have the tools, it's your turn. Practice these techniques in your writing today. In the next video we will discuss about introduction to the speaking test. Stay connected with us. Thank you.